मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा। मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, तेरी मेरी कहानी नहीं बन गई, तू मेरा हो गया मैं तेरी हो गई, जहाँ जाए तू संग मुझे ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा रे, बहकी रात में चुरा के सारे ले जा, सारी ले जा, तेरा दिल भीगू सांस पे तू ऐसी मुलाकात ले जा,
Hello guys, this is Grishikha and today's your host. And wait, I'm not doing anchoring alone here. There is someone with me.
सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें सिर्फ छत तक जाना है। हमारी मंजिल तो आसमां है, हमें रास्ता खुद बनाना है। नितिन प्रजापति का को-होस्ट ऑफ ग्रिशिका सक्सेना कहते हैं हम अपनी जान की दुश्मन को प्यार से जान कहते हैं। हम अपनी जान की दुश्मन को प्यार से जान कहते हैं।
मोहब्बत की इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं।
Reception to each and every preeminent
Her very personality is invited here.
on a very splendid agenda.
A Pulet School Club.
Fourth annual function of Glorious Institute for English.
You know guys, in life, certain occasions are very special. And in those special occasions,
There are memorable moments, and your kind of people make those special moments memorial.
thank you so much guys for joining us here today. Give a big clap for you all.
Like every other auspicious occasion, let's start this function by offering our praise to Ma Saraswati.
As a tribute to Mother Saraswati, embodiment of knowledge.
The meaning of Guru.
Of course, Nitin. I mean, who doesn't know the meaning of guru? But as you are my friend, let me tell you the meaning of guru. Guru is made of 4 letters. First 2 letters, GU, which represents darkness. And last 2 letters, RU, represent who eradicates the darkness.
Absolutely right, Grishika. A good teacher inspires the hope
Ignite the imagination.
and generate the love of learning.
And with all these qualities,
We would like to introduce one of the most amazing, fascinating personalities,
Pajandram, Winsome,
the salt of the earth and the life and soul of the party,
the person who teaches us not only English,
but also the lessons of life,
the person who is meant to move the mountains
and the person who works doggedly in every situation.
and who have learned.
एक इंसान कभी भी अच्छा या बुरा नहीं होता, उसको उसकी आदतें अच्छा या बुरा बनाती है।
So guys,
give a huge round of applause for
none
none
other
other
than
than
the Jordan Star. So guys, now it's time to talk about our second personality. He can have you cry. He can have you laugh at the drop of the hat. He can steal a march on anybody by his splendid acting skills.
He's adroit, he's rapturous, he pulls out all the stops in everything, and he's the Lord Star for each and every student. So guys, pat the back for the acting king, Sunil sir. So guys, now move on to another flamboyant personality. The person who is mover and shaker, and he's very, very pertinacious and indomitable, insurmountable in the dance.
He ignites the knowledge in each and every student to be motivated.
So guys, have a big hand for the
academic level. Guys, we all know that this is our 4th annual function of Glorious Institute. So I would feel more proud to introduce our 4th magnificent personality, the jubilant, jovial, very, very obedient.
He's an apple of eye and the light of everybody's life.
He joined us. He has multifarious talents in many fields. So guys, have a big hand for Srikanth. अंधेरों में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, अंधेरों में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाते हैं दरवाजे तो रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना भी सिखाते हैं आप।
जिंदगी का पंथ जहां शुरू होता है, जिंदगी का पंथ जहां शुरू होता है, वो राह दिखाने वाला गुरु होता है। जिनके मन में गुरु के लिए सम्मान होता है, उनके कदमों में एक दिन सारा जहान होता है।
रोशनी बनकर आए जो हमारी जिंदगी में, रोशनी बनकर आए जो हमारी जिंदगी में, ऐसे गुरुओं को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ।
जमीन से आसमान तक पहुंचाने का रखते हैं जो हुनर, जमीन से आसमान तक पहुंचाने का रखते हैं जो हुनर, ऐसे गुरुओं को मैं दिल से सलाम करता हूँ।
Thank you so much to our teachers who are the best part of our life.
हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों बूंदे चाहिए एक समुंदर बनाने के लिए, हजारों दिए चाहिए एक आरती सजाने के लिए, पर एक माँ ही काफी होती है अपने बच्चों की जिंदगी संवारने के लिए।
धरती सा धीरज दिया, आसमान सी ऊंचाई है, भगवान ने जिंदगी तराश के पिता की मूरत बनाई है। So guys, give a big hand for the parents of our teachers who have made our teachers and teachers who have made us. Give a big hand for them. Listen, do you have any alignment that how many turns a performers have made?
Of course, Grishikha, our performers have burnt the midnight tour with full of fire and fury.
Woohoo! Well, that's right. You know, Nitin, I want to ask one question from you also.
Okay.
You know what? You are undoubtedly privileged on such a marvelous fountain today.
Of course, Grishikha, ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है भला?
I think you are to be more privileged because you're standing right beside me.
Oh really? What makes you say that?
Being a student of glorious, I know it all.
Well, I couldn't agree more with this, Grishikha.
You know, Nitin, everything starts in glorious.
Great story begins from the glorious.
From glorious is perseverance.
And when it's possible,
You get confidence.
because the confidence is everything.
It just make you believe in you.
Seek your dream, be your dream.
You transform yourself.
And when you transform yourself,
Transform the world.
when you transform the world,
You achieve your dreams.
so guys, give a huge round of applause for the Glorious Institute for English.
Nitin, we have to move on for something else and stop smiling.
Why? What kind of problem do you have with my smile?
I have problems. Stop smiling.
No, I'm not going to stop my smile. What kind of problem do you have? You have to tell me right now.
I have problem. I've told you a lot. So stop smiling, please.
Okay, you have problem. I have a remedy for that.
Okay, first of all, come here and
Bear in your mind, okay? Get a car, buy a map. Get a car, buy a map, and straightly go to hell. Because I'm not going to stop my smile. My smile is my everything.
Oh my God, Nitin Jagati, for your beautiful smile. I want to say something from the bottom of my heart.
Make your pooch pooch.
Okay. अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद.
तू कहे तो चांद तारे तोड़ दूं.
वाह.
तू कहे तो चांद तारे तोड़ दूं. तू कहे तो दुनिया छोड़ दूं. एक बार हंस के तो दिखा मेरे दोस्त नितिन, तेरे सारे डंडे दांत तोड़ दूं. Great exhilaration.
This is not what you always do with me every time.
This is my duty.
Okay, let me also admire yourself.
Okay, you can.
कमाल के तेरे नखरे हैं, कमाल का तेरा स्टाइल है.
वो तो है.
कमाल के तेरे नखरे हैं, कमाल का तेरा स्टाइल है.
Thank you.
बात करने की तमीज नहीं, हाथ में तेरा माइक है.